How to add pop-up newsletter to Squarespace. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add pop-up newsletter to Squarespace. Yes, it is very possible to do this. What do you do first? The first thing to do is to log in into your Squarespace account and log in the site where you want to add the pop-up newsletter. So once you're on this site, you would then in your web browser open a new tab and then type into domain name for elf site, which is www.elfsite.com. Elf site is the site where you'll be able to add the pop-up newsletter to your Squarespace. So once you type in the domain name, create an account. Once you've created an account, you'll be brought to the catalogs page. If you're not brought to this page, maybe you're brought to my apps or templates, just select catalog amongst the rest. So once you selected catalog, you'll be brought to the catalogs page. On this page, by the right side of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Type pop up newsletter. Okay, just pop up, yes, pop up. As you can see, the pop up is here already. Just click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be asked to choose a template. All right, now the template that you have to choose will depend on what you want. Okay, so you can see it here by the left side of the screen. So just scroll up until you get what you're looking for. All right, now newsletter, yes, that's what we're looking for. Just click on it. So once you've clicked on it, click on continue with this template. Then yeah, you can edit the image, the title, the spacing, the text, the form. If you want to add another block, just go ahead, play around with this because it is all yours. All right, if you want to change the background color as well, just type of background and then select the color you want, just play around with all of this and get what you want. Then once you're done, by the right side of the screen, you will see the publish icon. Click on publish and then your widget will be published. Okay, and then here select the plan you want, either free, basic, pro or premium. I'll be going with the free version. So your code has been created. Click on copy code. Then once you've clicked on that, go back to your website. All right, so once you're here on your website, by the left side of the screen, select website and then scroll down and select. Okay, let's go back. This is not where we're heading to. Yes, on this page, scroll down and select website tools. All right, so once the website tools has been selected, it will load and then you would be shown the menu under website tools displaying custom css, code injection, etc. So just click on code injection. Once you click on that, you will take it to the page where you have to select where you want the newsletter to be located, either in the header or in the footer. For me, I want it to be in the header, so I'll just left click here and paste the code. Once you've pasted it, the save icon would be activated. Click on it, and then once you click on it, your website would be updated and the pop-up newsletter will be added to your website, just like you can see by the right side of my screen. So this is how you can add a pop-up newsletter to Squarespace. Thanks for watching.